On Monday, spot gold prices soared by $74.77 or 1.63%, closing at $4,671.78 per ounce, and hit a record high of $4,690.92. U.S. President Trump's aggressive push for the plan to annex Greenland triggered a surge in global market safe haven sentiment. Trump stated that he would impose a 10% tariff on 8 European countries that oppose the U.S. plan to acquire Greenland starting from February 1st, and intends to further raise the tariff rate to 25% in June. This move sparked market fears of a severe U.S.-EU trade war, weighing on the U.S. dollar, which erased part of the gains driven by strong U.S. economic data last week. The U.S. dollar index DXY fell 0.36% on Monday to 99.02. Traders previously expected the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates by 45 basis points by the end of 2026. Meanwhile, the 8 European countries issued a joint statement on January 18th, stating that the threat of tariff hikes undermines transatlantic relations and risks triggering a dangerous vicious cycle. The 8 countries will respond with united coordination, and member states are discussing various countermeasures, including imposing retaliatory tariffs on U.S. goods worth €93 billion, $108 billion. In addition, French President Emmanuel Macron will urge the EU to activate the so-called anti-coercion instrument, which could restrict U.S. companies' access to the EU single market. Trump's move has raised market concerns about potential retaliatory measures from Europe, which could lead to a large-scale trade war. Such worries have boosted safe haven demand for precious metals. Precious metal prices have risen sharply this year, following a surge in 2025. The U.S. arrests of Venezuelan leaders and intensified threats to annex Greenland have driven up precious metal prices. Gold ETF holdings increased by 28 tons last week, marking the largest single-week gain since September, indicating strong institutional interest. Market analysts are optimistic about the outlook for gold prices. Citigroup predicts that gold prices will reach $5,000 within 3 months. All content herein is for reference only and does not constitute any investment advice. Investors who trade based on this information should bear full responsibility for their own profits and losses. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.